How to add another iCloud account on iPhone. So basically, you cannot use two iCloud accounts for full device sync at the same time, but you can obviously add a second iCloud account in your iPhone device. First of all you have to do is open the settings app. Basically, you cannot switch between the devices or between the iCloud account like we do on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All you have to do is tap on your Apple ID at the top and sign out from this device. Once you sign out, you might be asked for Apple ID password to verify it's you. Then you'll be asked if you want to merge the accounts or not. Then it will take few moments for your iPhone to remove your first iCloud account. So wait for a while. Then once removed, you will get to see Apple account option available at the top of the settings. So as we can see that we have successfully signed out of our first iCloud account, simply tap on the first Apple account option available there. And once you tap on it, you will get to see some options available on your screen, such as sign in manually, use another Apple device, or don't have an Apple account option available there. You can tap on the sign in manually and enter your second iCloud account email and password and verify it. Or else, if you do not have any Apple account for now and you want to create a second iCloud account, then you can simply go back and tap on the don't have an Apple account option available there and choose your age range and create an Apple account as your second iCloud account. And all you have to do is sign out from the one device and then simply sign in with another iCloud account. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.